In this video for our Ukulele Pros 2-week practice and technique challenge. This one is really cool. This one is called the Spider. And this one not only sounds really cool, but it's a little challenging and it's really going to push your strength and dexterity and your hand-eye coordination. Welcome to Ukulele Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and I'm so glad that you are a part of this challenge. This one is a really fun one. This one is called a spider exercise. You'll see why in just a second when I play it and then I break it down for you. But besides being here, just taking part of this challenge, if you really want to immerse yourself in this challenge, including a chance to win a brand new Kala Ukulele, you got to do a few things. Make sure to subscribe right here, Ukulele Pros. Hit that bell notification. That way you get a notification every time we release a video, which is going to be every day for this challenge. Also, show Call a little love. Go ahead and give them a subscribe over on their channel as well. All right, you have to sign up. Okay? Besides watching the video here, leaving a comment, you have to sign up. We'll put a link below to go sign up. It's going to be really easy to sign up because it's going to take you to a page where you can have all these videos in a real easy place, but it's going to have all the information that you need to know for this challenge. And then also you got to post. That's right. You got to post at least one video of yourself playing over at the Ukulele Pros forum. We'll put a link to that below if you're not already a member of the free forum that we have. The more videos you post, the more you have a chance to win, but you have to post at least one video. What else do we have? Just so you know, we do have a VIP option. We'll put a link to that below. The VIP is really cool. You're going to get access to some private Zoom calls that we have that's going to be bonus besides what we do here. Plus, you're going to have a chance to win a Koaloha ukulele. Oh, look, I'm playing a Koaloha right here. And you're going to get all the PDFs, all the tabs, all the backing tracks. By the way, there's slow, medium, and fast backing tracks, as well as long, extended backing tracks, so you can really practice for a long time. And you're going to get lifetime access to all this material over at ukelikethepros.com. So you can't go wrong. Become a VIP. All right, are you ready? Let me show you exactly what this exercise is all about. Pretty cool, right? I think it's really cool. Now, for this one, you can use high G or low G. I do have a low G, and this is actually a wound low G. This is actually a Pepe Romero low G on my Koaloha Mango tenor that I have. And if you need strings, new ukulele, whatever you need, the #1 store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. For this one, we're going to do a couple things different. One, we're going to start on the 4th string. 2, I am going to use my thumb for this one. You can use alternate fingering or a pick, but I'm just going to use my thumb. How cool is that? How cool is that? This is called the spider technique, and you hear this a lot in guitar players, but we can do it on ukulele as well. And there's a lot of different spider techniques. There's not just one exercise, but this is just one really cool one. What do you think so far? Leave a comment below. All right, you ready? 1st finger, 4th string, 1st fret. Now, here's what's going to change right here. 3rd finger goes down to the 3rd string, 3rd fret. That's really like a power chord right there. Then your 2nd finger is going to come back to the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your pinky is then going to go to the 3rd string, 4th fret. Let's just do that nice and slow. Ready, and... Notice you can keep your 1st finger down for this entire challenge as we're going up and down. All right, then what you're going to do is just going to simply move the whole pattern down. So now you're going to be on 3rd string, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Then you're going to move it down again. Now in the ukulele, because we only have 4 strings, we ran out of room. So what we have to do now is just simply slide this up to the 2nd fret. 3 on the 1st string. Yep. Then you go up a string. Notice the dissonance in these, yeah? Little haunting kind of sounding, nice intervals. Then you're gonna just slide it up to the 3rd fret. You're gonna do the same thing going down. And then you're gonna do one more slide up to the 4th fret. And that will be your last note right there, your pinky on the 3rd string, 7th fret. This is really cool. It's going to be all quarter notes. And if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead now and bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, how did you do on that one? Leave a comment below, 1 to 5 on, how you did, and did you like it? Pretty cool exercise, right? That was a medium backing track. So we have slower ones, we have faster ones, and we have long extended ones for all 3 tempos as well that can help you continue all the way up and down the neck for this particular exercise. That's available to all the VIPs. You can sign up for the VIP below. All right, now, if you're digging this stuff, we're not done with the challenge. We're going to continue on. But after the challenge is done, we're going to have an advanced technique workshop. That's going to be a bonus workshop with me and a special guest going over this kind of stuff, but even more advanced. So if you're finding you're liking this stuff and you want to dig deeper, sign up for that advanced technique workshop. It's going to be absolutely incredible. All right. I appreciate you being here. Good job sticking with it. Continue on. Do not stop. These are great warm-ups, and you should already start to notice your playing improving if you stick with all these that we've been doing, and then these are great warm-ups, and again, just great technique builders. So, all right, that's going to do it for me. I'm out of here. We'll see you in the next video.